we've arrived in Rovinj and it has not disappointed. We've literally just pulled up, but we were like so excited as we were driving in because it looks so good. Look at all the boats behind me.
I think you gotta call them yachts. They'd probably be really offended if you said boat.
Oh, look at all these yachts behind me. Oh, so lovely. Do you want to get some lunch or something?
Not that hungry. Just have breakfast.
I'm always hungry.
Yeah. Oh, that's so sick. Look at that. A jet ski on his yacht.
Proper good.
That is the dream, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolute baller.
So cool. I love the look of these buildings over there. I think that looks so cool. We just found a little restaurant to have some lunch at now, so you can see like the village over there, and there's like this like island in the middle, which is really cool. And the boat's over there. Nice little spot for lunch, really, isn't it? And our food has just come. I've gone for margarita, of course, which is my favourite food, and then I'll show you more stews now. So what's your stew?
Mixed seafood, like mixed fish, but I can't remember what it is.
Ah, so is it like raw fish, the thing in the middle? It's like raw salmon and tuna. Looks really good.
It's so nice.
Is it? Have you tried much of the different types of fish yet?
I've only tried this one and that one. I think this one's full of fish. It's really good.
Is it? Is that like a patty?
I think it's tuna tartar.
Ooh.
I think I've said that right, but I've seen it on the menu.
Yeah.
I guess that's what it is. Not fun. That's a bit funky.
Oh, a bit funky, is it? What a beautiful day now. Proper lively down here now, guys. Buildings look really nice, all the different shades of like yellows and oranges. It's like a sunset palette going on over in these buildings. Whoa, Steve, I think I'm really good at describing things. Did you hear me there?
Sunset palette.
Yeah, look at them, like yellow, orange, red, terracotta, burnt orange, mustard. Okay, I'm running out of colours now, but I think that's a good way of describing it.
Yeah.
Let me try and sound poetic. The buildings were painted in various shades of sunset. Oh my god, like hire me right now to be like, I don't know, a documentary report or something. Guys, we're on a complimentary boat tour from this company. So we're just on the boat now, and oh, so cool! We've been so lucky with the weather as well. It was meant to be like raining so much of the holidays. The sun has come out. This is the nicest time for like to be on the boat. Guys, I definitely recommend doing a boat tour if you come to Rovinj. This is so nice, especially on a day like this. You get to have like a really good look at like the old town and stuff like that. It's like so relaxing being out on the boat. Even doing this thing, it's so nice. You can see like the old town like all together in there. Looks so cool. This is so relaxing. Steve enjoying his beer on the boat tour.
This is just so good, isn't it?
You enjoying it, Steve?
I feel like the beer's like really tapped it off as well.
Yeah.
It's like nice cherry on the
I had a
cake.
cola.
Is it cherry on the cake? Or icing on the cake? Cherry on top.
Cherry on
icing
top.
on the cake.
Yeah, so at the moment he's got 30 boats in Rovinj, but he's doing a new project soon. He wants to have them more like different places in Croatia. So if you're coming to Croatia anytime in the future, it might be worth checking out to see if this company has got boat trips wherever you're going. So this is a little monastery on St. Andrew's Island. Guys, I feel like I'm just absolutely loving life right now. We're on the boat and listen to our songs come on. This is like my favourite song at the moment. I'm always singing it. on the boat tour and it was literally so cool, wasn't it, Steve?
Yeah, it was amazing.
When we got off, he was saying how, like, you know, when you can see like the old town, like all the buildings, he was like, you can't really see that from like anywhere else. You need to like go out on a boat to see it. So I feel like we really got to see like a part of Rovinj that we wouldn't have got to see otherwise. So I'm really glad we've done it now.
It's usually, well, he converted it to euros, so it's about €100 for an hour, but that includes like obviously the skipper and like drinks and stuff.
Yeah, it's like all inclusive, he said, and it's like music playing and like he gives you like a beer and all that stuff. Like
nothing but good vibes.
Yeah. And it was just like the perfect day for it as well, wasn't it, really? And the people there were like just like super friendly and stuff. So yeah, I don't know if you could hear me properly on the boat because it was quite like windy, but you're saying he's got 30 boats, but he's trying to do a project beginning next year where he's going to have them like more spread out around Croatia. So even if you don't come specifically to Rovinj, it'd be definitely worth checking that company out. I'll put the Instagram handle on the screen now, so you can like go and check them out. But yeah, it was really good, wasn't it?
It's amazing, definitely recommend it.
And the guys who were doing the tour were like really good. You can tell they're really like passionate about what they do, because they were like telling us a lot about like the boat and like how old it was. Again, if you can hear me on the boat, it was 1955 the boat was built. And you tell us about like the way it was painted and stuff. So I feel like that just like makes the experience so much better when people are like really passionate about what they do.
Yeah, there's like a lot of pride in the boat and stuff as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Nice.
So yeah, I just want to like a massive thank you to those two guys that like gave us the tour. We really appreciate it. We had like the best experience, so thank you so much. Okay guys, so we're just leaving Rovinj now and we literally had like the best time, didn't we?
Yeah, so good.
Yeah, like considering as well, like it wasn't even like part of the plan. It was like a bit of like a last minute spontaneous decision because only because Steve's auntie and uncle recommended it that we decided to go. And we
pig roast.
Oh yeah. But yeah, it was like considering like it wasn't even part of the plan, we didn't expect to have like so much fun there. But it was like such a beautiful little town, like how I said, like a coastal town, like with like the boats along the edge, and it was just like a really nice day as well. I just feel like I've had like one of the best days ever, like even from like the get-go, like when we were in Pula and I had like a really nice like chocolate croissant for breakfast and the waitress was really nice. Yeah, I feel like the day just started off like really good just from that, and then coming here we had such a nice lunch, didn't we? I had like the best pizza ever, and pizza's my favourite. Was it?
Yeah,
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Did it fill you up because it looked quite small?
That alone probably wouldn't have, but I had enough bread to feed the 5,000. So.
Oh, that's alright then. Yeah, and then like we were just like walking around vlogging, and we were lucky enough to like this boat tour spotted us and saw us videoing, and then said, would you like to do a boat tour if you promote us on your channel and stuff? So hopefully got some good footage for that.
Wait, is Jesus fed the 5,000 or fed the 500?
Mate, you're the one who went to a Catholic school. How am I supposed to know?
See, I've had that much of a good day, my mind's gone blank.
But it just feels like really, when I think about it, like everything's happened for a reason. Like we wasn't even planned to go there, and then that happened. We ended up having like a boat tour and stuff. We'll be able to see so much more of Rovinj than we would have been able to see if we were just like walking around. So it just was like the best experience.
It's kind of like Croatia's Amalfi Coast, don't it?
Yeah.
You know, like from the boat, it had that sort of vibe, and it's just so scenic.
It was just like really nice considering like it's just like we wasn't even going to go there, and then like all these like great things happened there. So I just feel like we've had like the best time there. So I would definitely recommend going. So yeah, we're finishing this video here because we're off to the next place now, which I am literally so excited for. This is the part that I'm like most excited for, like the whole trip in Croatia. I think, is it same with you?
Good day.
So I'm not going to tell you where we're going. You might be able to guess if you know much about Croatia. You can leave it in the comments where you think we're off to next. But yeah, we're off to there now. So we've just left now. I think it's, should I say how long the drive is, or does that give away too much?
I can say 3.5 hours.
3.5 hours drive there now. So a bit more of a road trip. We've got snacks. Well, I've got the free croissants from breakfast. I've got some leftover pizza from lunch. So we're like stocked up now to keep us occupied during the journey now. So yeah, I'll end the vlog here. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and make sure you're subscribed so you can see the next video here in Croatia, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye. You ready for the big walk, Steve?
Never been more ready.
I was like, how likely am I to see a bird? I've actually done some pretty good here, guys. I've gone pretty wild.